These clips are funny, but don't let them fool you. Can you survive without smiling?
Patay po siya ng kandila gamit yung utot.
Ready, set, go!
Nao?
Hindi.
Lungar?
Hindi.
Mangay?
Pwede.
Ulay?
Oo!
Ulay?
Oo.
Ngalamasa?
Si Kuya. Si Kuya kinag...
Spell minion.
Minion.
Gilbert Valdez pumapanay-panay, dinikita naman ni Ryan Tugawin. Nasa harapan Gilbert Valdez, hinahatang niya ito, masasagad na kanya hanggang finish line. Ryan Tugawin na...
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Kapag tumingin ka, akin ka. Pag tumingin ka, may mountain bike ka na, may 2.5 ka pa. Iya, na mananap ka, karauta na.
Challenge complete. How many times did you laugh? If you enjoyed this challenge, leave a like, subscribe, and come back for the next Try Not to Laugh challenge.